Tesla-approved auto body shops, like Today's Collision, are committed to ensuring your Tesla is restored back to factory specifications.
Hey, it's Bobby from Today's Collision. Today we're here all about Teslas, as you can see. You know, Tesla has been around for a little bit now. We joined in 2017. Right now, we have a contracted team with Teslas, and this is the whole area we're in. We have multiple bays, and the technicians are all certified. Over here is our dedicated aluminum room, which all aluminum repair work happens in there.
Today's Collision has made investments in infrastructure, equipment, and Tesla-trained technicians, so proper procedures are followed to bring your Tesla back to life.
One of the big things with Tesla, everybody thinks, okay, it's a Tesla, it's an EV car, but people don't realize the complexity of the car, the way it's made, the high voltage battery, the aluminum frame with steel mixed. So it's a very complex car, and people just think, well, anybody can fix anything, but that's not the truth. So it's very important to go to a Tesla repair center like Today's Collision, because we study them, we understand it, we repair so many of them, and we can handle any size of the Tesla job, from a small little job all the way up to replacing frame rails and sides and unibody sides of a car.
Today's Collision has been building the trust of New England vehicle owners for over 30 years. As one of the first Tesla-approved body shops in the area, Today's Collision has the experience, knowledge, equipment, and 5-star customer service teams to provide Tesla owners with the peace of mind that their vehicles will be returned to factory specifications and in showroom condition.